Apfel Doctor Germany. My name is Ben, and I'm back again for you with the next repair. And we have here from a customer an iPhone 5S with a Tristar problem. So I show you the diagnosis of this device. Show you diagnosis of this device. Here I put on our Tristar tester. I just use the main can a little bit smaller, and now here you can see we have Tristar testing all over the way. Okay, the dot flags is fine, it's working. Really hard for the focus of this cam. I hope you can see. And it takes a long time, and when it takes a long time, it is always a good sign. This was a rhyme. Yeah, bitch. So we just need to wait some time to get the result of this presentation of the Tristar tester developed by Jan Peterman, or like Chessa says, Jan Peterman. Greets to Chessa. She's a really good technician. Here you can see, yeah, the focus is now on the point. So you can see Tristar tester is testing 6 lines which are going from the lightning connector to the Tristar. And if any of these lines is faulty, we will get a message. And then we know for 100% we have a Tristar problem. But under Tristar we have 32 lines. So if Tristar tester says Tristar is okay, it probably could be that Tristar is not okay, because 26 other lines are untested. We only test 6 lines from lightning connector to Tristar with this tool. Okay, the focus is really bad. All is okay. It's all okay. And now we get the result. And as soon as we have it, I done this before I started the video, so I know the result, but I show it to you again for a quick, nice video. Okay, battery present or not present, tested by Tristar tester. You get it at tristartester.com. Normally Jan should send me some Tristar testers for free, because I always do good advertising for him. And here you can see fail. I hope it does a little bit better focus. It's really hard, but all lines are failed. So we have to do a Tristar repair on this device. The only crown. Crown? No, crown. The only was heißt denn Grund? The reason. The only reason for that I'm using this tool is as stand for the display when I repair smartphones. Other people take it for PCB holding. I only take it for smarter work. Smarter work on disassembly iPhones. So take off components, take out the board, put the logic board on our preheater PPD 120, and then we are going to change Tristar. So it's a display. Normally David would do this, but he had to look for some customers in front of our company, and so I started to disassembly. That is no problem. I can do this by myself. It's okay. But you can disassemble the next device when you want the iPhone, if you want the iPhone 6 Plus for multi-touch. Because we have so many videos in German language online. We have solved so many faulty devices, failures on devices. We have done so much logic board repairs, but in English we only have one video at the moment. So we are just doing some more videos to get more viewers, because because English is the speak of the world, or the speech of the world. Don't know how to say. And now I really use this Hakko tool to hold the PCB. Really. And I use my JVC TSEQ with my TEB handpiece. It's really a great thing. I think it is the best hot air station on the world. Really. We only use these hot air stations at all our workspaces here. And on the other workplace we had a quick long time before it was it was really not good. You can't compare a cheap quick station with this JVC. This is amazing. JVC is amazing. Really amazing. And it just needs about 20 seconds, and then the EME shield on the bottom of this logic board has gone away. Okay, here we are. Now we put the logic board on the preheater, and I take you down under the microscope. Here we are, and here we see Tristar, and Tristar is faulty. So we just changed Tristar. It is no problem. I done another video today. iPhone 6 Tristar repair for you. I did another video iPad Air 1 lightning connector replacement, and now I do this video for you, iPhone 5s Tristar. Okay, just a little bit of heat on the Tristar directly, then I take off the black glue, or I don't know how to say in English, the black shit. And then I take my Nace to B NT105 with a little bit of solder, and then I take it off. This it was. And now I move the board in a little other direction. Use the solder wick and just going down to take off the rest of the solder. It is really no problem to do this, and I always do my repairs like that. I always use wick because it is the best thing you can do. You clean up the pads on the bottom of the board and just put the new Tristar or the new IC, whatever, on the board back again, and you have 100% connectivity between the points. You have no point which is bigger than another. It is great, the best thing you can do, really. So the position on iPhone 5S is U2. So many people until today say the U2 chip. It isn't the U2 chip. U2 is the position on the iPhone 5S, on the iPhone 5S, on the logic board, the iPhone 5S. And yeah, that's the reason why many people say the U2 chip. I have problems on charging. My U2 chip is faulty. Okay. It isn't the U2 chip, it is Tristar. It is the charging IC in, yes. You can say it is the charging IC, okay? When you want. Okay, here we are. Now we take some hot air with the 3mm nozzle bend, and now we solder down this beautiful, this really beautiful Tristar chip. I don't know how many Tristars I soldered in my life. Take just another tiny little bit of flux. You see, I just tipped on with my tweezers to see all is like I want. And then we are finished. We have to clean the PCB. Where's my cleaner here? Just to clean the PCB. Have a look under the microscope. Okay. Looks delish. Looks great. And back to the enhanced camera. I would like to show you that the failure is gone. Only for testing without EME shield and antenna. Only for showing you people that the repair was successful. Because successful repairs are the best truck in the world, I would say. Every day I go to work. It is really the best thing I can imagine. Go to work. And yeah. So we have to test. We have to test with the Tristar tester. You get it at tristartester.com. And now we will have a look if it works again. I think it will work again. So just have a look. Test is speeding up. Battery is missing, there's no problem. And here we see pass in all points. So I will solder back the EME shield, I will mount the antenna, and I will mount the complete device and then back to customer. This it was iPhone 5S Tristar Repair, Apfeldoktor, Ben, Germany. Mail in your devices if you want. Why not? Just watch the videos and repair by yourself at home. Peace.